Hi all, see this, here we are having a differential equation kind thing, right? That f dash d to the power something and g dash x, right? And some given conditions are there, right? Now we have to check that which is the following statement as true. So physically see that here everything are deals with f1, f2, g1, g2 and all that stuff, right? So therefore it is obvious that we need to find fx and gx, right? So our aim is to solve the differential equation first, right? Let's go ahead. So here we'll take that differential equation that gives me that f dash x is equal to e to the power of fx minus gx multiplied by g dash x. So we can easily say that that gives me that f dash x is equal to e to the power fx divided by e to the power gx multiplied by g dash x. That's imply e to the power minus fx dx, f dash x is equal to e to the power minus gx and g dash x. Now, we can easily differentiate with respect to x, right? So we can write this as e to the power minus fx d of fx, because d of fx is f dash x, that's definitely equal to e to the power minus gx into d of gx. So now this can be easily integrated. So what's the integration? We can say the integration gives me that minus e to the power minus fx is equal to e minus e to the power minus gx. Let us consider that plus c is the integration constant. So therefore we can say that it's e to the power minus gx minus e to the power minus fx, and that's equal to constant. So somehow we are able to get some kind of a relation between that e to the power fx and gx, right? Now see that some given informations are there. It says that f1 is equal to 1, right? So let's substitute here x equal to 1. So we'll say that substituting x is equal to 1. So if I substitute x equal to 1, we'll see that e to the power g1 minus e to the power of minus f1, that's equal to constant. It's given that e to the power f1 is 1. That's imply that e to the power minus g1 minus e to the power minus 1 is equal to c. Now let us substitute x is equal to 2. So if I substitute x equal to 2, we'll get it at e to the power minus of g2 minus e to the power of minus f2, and that's equal to constant again. What is g2? g2 gives it me 1 again. So e to the power minus 1 minus e to the power of minus f2, that's equal to c. So let's put that as equation number 2 and 3. Now see that the left hand side of 2 and 3 are always equal, right? So therefore we can easily equate them. So let's equate that too. So therefore we'll say by 2 and 3 e to the power of minus g1 minus e to the power of minus 1, and it's equal to e to the power of minus 1 minus e to the power of minus f2. That's imply that take this other side, so e to the power of minus f2 plus e to the power of minus g1, that's equal to 2 e to the power minus 1, that's imply 2 divided by e. That's it. Now see that always we know that e to the power of something, right, e to the power x is always greater than 0. So therefore these two terms are always greater than 0, and the sum is actually 2 by e. So what that means? It means that each of the terms separately will be definitely less than 2 by e. So let's see that. So therefore we'll say that as e to the power of minus f2 and e to the power of minus g1 is greater than 0. So therefore e to the power of minus f2 is definitely less than 2 by e, and e to the power minus g1 is definitely less than 2 by e. Now we'll take log. So therefore gives that if minus f2 is less than log of 2 by e. So that's imply that f2 is greater than ln2 minus ln e, and that have a minus sign. That's imply that f2 is greater than ln e is 1, so 1 minus ln2. That's it. So therefore, we can say that f2 is greater than 1 minus log e. That's actually the answer. Let us go ahead and operate the second way. So we'll get that minus g1 is less than log of 2 by e. That's imply that g1 is greater than minus of ln2 minus ln e. ln e is equal to 1. So therefore, g1 is also greater than 1 minus ln2. Now, ln2 means that actually here it is log base e. So therefore, g of 1 is also greater than that. So therefore, for this particular problem, option B and C is the correct answer. Hope you understood the problem, right? And that's it. If you have an issue in this line by doing this integration, you can consider that fx equal to z. Okay. Now, if I integrate with respect to x, so e to the power minus z, and whatever that z dash will gives you f dash x dx, right? So we can just do that step jump, right? And it's very easy to understood. That's it. Thank you.